Alright, hi, hello everyone. It's a weekend today, and I'll be washing the clothes for the week for my family. So I'll be using Snap and stains don't stand chance. This is a this is Snap laundry detergent, yeah. And here to assist me is Elizabeth, yeah. Okay, Ellie. Thank you. Alright, good. Alright, just focus here. Okay, alright, I'm gonna open the cap. Okay, here we go. The cap is open. See the bubble? Alright, okay, yeah. The bubble. Alright, before I put things in, clothes are already inside. Okay, alright, that's good. Okay. So I'm just trying to take out the plastic here. Okay, plastic is off. Alright. So let's put some snap inside here. Okay. That's enough. That's nice. Sufficient. Okay. So what we do? We open and we just pour it in. Simple, easy. Alright, step this done. We just close and we close the door. Yep, make sure it's tight. Switch it on. Okay. So for myself, I just wanted to wash at normal temperature with the RPM of 600. Some slight rewash just to get the dirt whatever off. Right, so I guess that's that. Okay, done. And that's a wash. Yep. Alright. Thanks everyone. So that's how we use the Snap laundry detergent. Easy, simple. Everyone can do it. Okay? Alright. Yo, have a good day. We'll see you another time soon. Take care and bye bye.